How to merge clips in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can merge clips in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's dive right into first steps first. Open up your CapCut and import your clips that you want, which you can import it here. Then now you'll need to drag it on your timeline. So you can drag it like this. And to merge these two clips, all you have to do is place them side by side. So let me just this clip for now. So let's head over here. As you can see, if I am at the end here, it will automatically change to another page. So yeah, all you have to do is put it side by side. If you want the placement to be different, you can here. And if I play this now, you'll notice that it will actually just transition. And that's how you can merge clips in CapCut. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye. Take care.